a language, I want to solve the problem. A language is W power R. So we have already solved this problem in pushdown automata using non-deterministic Turing machine. So W power R, where W belongs to, you can take any 0 plus 1 whole star, or you can take like you can take A plus B also, no problem. So that is where W is combination of A plus B whole star. If you want, you can take 0 plus 1 also. That's not an issue. You can take whatever the things. W power R, where A plus B whole star, W belongs to. So simply we know that first you need to understand the language. There is a W. Immediately it has to followed by W power R. Example, let us take example. What is, you try to take examples here. You try to take A B, and if you reverse this one, you will get as a BA comma. So like this, A B B, and you reverse this one, B B A, and you try to take whatever the problems. Okay, 2 A's and even 2 B's followed by 2 B's and 2 A's. Like this, you can take whatever the string, A B B A B B A. So you can take like this. So simply what is this one string is W, it is getting reversed. So what is my approach I need to follow here? The simple approach is, see here, this is a language. This is a language. What we are doing is, so now just think about it. So how I can solve this problem? So we know that if you observe any string, like the starting and ending string will be same, right? The starting and ending string will be same. You take whatever the problem. See here. So this you take whatever the problem. Here starting and ending string is always same. So here next also similarly B, here also there is a B, and similarly we have a same symbols like this B, and you will have a this A. That's it. This is a logic, simple, right? So that means what is the approach? You need to follow the approach. Suppose if I read this A, how can I ensure that? See, there is a because in middle that. How can I ensure that it is the end of the string? How can you go to the last string? Only thing is, it's a approach is very easy. So there is a first you will read something A, you will identify for this symbol. You need to you need to know that this A, you need to mark this A. That means how can you ensure that? So that means after going for the end of the string, end of the string means how can you say it is the end of the string? Suppose your input symbol, how can you ensure that? I will write the input string now. So So you just try to observe here. So let us take input string. The input string is whatever the string you can take, it's not a problem. That means it has to be a W and W power R. So that means A, B. Let us take a B is a W. You can try to take some bigger string, always a combination of all the more the symbols, so that it will be more easy. So what I will do is A, B, A, example. So like this, and you take all, let's try to take as a B also. Okay. So now what is reverse? Reverse of the string is BA. Okay, I will try to take some. B. Let us take this is a W and WR. What is WR? So you need to take B, A, B. Sorry. This is a string, right? So B, again A, B, A. Sorry. B, A, B, B, A, B, and you try to take. So this is a string, right? So till now A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A. So this is a string W. So if you want to clear, this is the input tape. So this is our input string. So in this input string, so my approach is, I need to draw quickly. A, let us take this A, because it is each symbol will be stored in one cell. So I think it is visible. So now the thing is, what I need to do is, here first A and last A is same, and here see next A, and here there is a and B, B, A and B, B. So this is a simple logic. So observe carefully my logic, what I'm going to do. With this logic, we are going to construct the Turing machine. Turing construction is very easy. Only thing is, you need to understand the problem and you need to try to develop the logic. So what is the logic I am going to develop here? The logic is very simple. So here let us take A, the same string I am taking, you try to listen. B, A, B, B, A, B, A. So what is this? My approach is, just listen this approach. Construction is nothing. What I am going to do? A I am making as a, because you it is your wish, based on whatever the symbol you can make it. It's not a problem. So A I am making as a some blank. A I am replacing as a blank. A I am making as a blank. A I am replacing blank. And what a symbol I need to go for? So at end of the string there is a, what is there as a, the symbol normally input tape consists of blank. Input symbol always consists of blank, because it is a infinite input tape. So the remaining empty cells, all empty cells will be blank only. So what I'm making is, so A I am making as a, A I am replacing as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. So like this, up to end you have to go. Then only you will go for the last string. Then only you will know that that is the end of the string. So any number of A's, any number of B's, I will move the right hand side and until I encounter the blank. Until I encounter the blank. So this is a symbol. So until I encounter blank, I will come to the end of the string. Whenever there is a blank is there, you need to move the left hand side, because I need to check this symbol. For this A, I need to point this symbol. So that is why I am pointing here. When you are coming to this one, whenever there is a, you make this as a blank. So A, I am making as a blank, and which side you have to go? You have to go for the left hand side for the next symbol. So until any number of A's, you go for the left hand side like this. Any number of B's, you can go to the left hand side until I encounter the blank again. So whenever there is a blank encountered, I need to move the right hand side to repeat the same process. So here there is a, again A, I will make as a blank. A, I will make as a blank. Same again, I will go right hand side until I encounter the blank. So this blank, again you come to the left hand side, and this A also you try to make as a blank. So and you try to move the left hand side. So like this, for this B, you will make this as a blank, and you move the right hand side for the checking this B. And similarly, left hand side you go, and this blank you make. See, when you are going left hand side, see that there are two chances. The string either may, we are getting A's or B's also. That's why you need to give two transitions. Whenever you are getting A, you have to go one side. Whenever you are getting a B, you have to go for the C. Whenever you are getting A, you need to last symbol also A. Whenever you are getting a B, the last symbol you need to replace as a B only. That is also you need to ensure. So this A and this is A, I will make, and this for this B, I will make this a blank, and this B also I will make as a blank. Again, I will go for the last left hand side, and I don't have any symbols. I encounter directly a blank. So for this blank, you can directly send to the final state. So this is what a W power R. Don't worry. I'm just going to construct the Turing machine. So see that logic. This is a logic simply. For this single A, I am going to the end of the string, and I am coming left hand side. That is end of the string means I need to go for the up to the blank. So because the input tape is consist of all empty symbols are blank only. All empty symbols are blank. So that is a approach what I am following. This is my problem solving approach. So construction is, it's very simple. Construction is like a very, just if you develop this logic, the construction is very easy. So now we can construct here only. So space is not required. Okay. So yeah, I think you understand this logic. No, this problem is somewhat bigger. Okay. Okay. Now we will construct the see that Turing machine. So the construction is very easy. Only thing is developing logic is important. That's it. So this is where I am going to the starting state. So this is a state, and it is starting as the initial state, and you try to take the names as a like Q0. So it's okay. It's these all are common. I am not going to repeat every time because it's taking a time. So Q1 and Q2, Q3, and suppose here logic is very simple. See, let us take first initially the symbol is A. Just try to listen carefully because later you have to solve many problems. I am just going to give assignment. So based on these problems, you have to solve many problems. Okay. So you just try to take a string, any string. Let us take A here, A, B, A, B. What is this? A, B, A, B. So sorry, it's taking time. Don't worry. So B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and here it is A. Here it is A, and finally empty string is that empty cells are normally it will contain as a blank, all empty cells. All empty cells it is consist of blank. So here see this first A I am making as a first A I am making A, I am replacing as a blank. A, I am replacing as a blank, and I am going right hand side. So what, where I have to ensure A, here you need to ensure A, you are replacing as a blank, and which direction you are going? You are going as a right hand side direction. A, you are replacing as a blank, and you are going right hand side. This meaning is this A, I have replaced blank, and I am moving right hand side. While moving right hand side, later you will encounter any number of A's, any number of B's are allowed. So what you need to do, you should not perform anything. That means any number of A's, what I have to do is you have to keep A only in the tape. So like this, any number of A's. So in the loop, any number of A's, you make this A only and you move right hand side. Similarly, for any number of B's, also, you need to take this B and you should move the right hand side only. So until you encounter blank. So this is going like this until you after completion of this all the input string, you will encounter as a blank. Whenever you encounter as a blank, so whenever you encounter as a blank, what you need to do? So you have encounter as a blank. So that means blank, when you encounter as a blank, you need to move the left hand side. You should make this A as a blank. So here what is my intention is, don't worry, it is very easy only. So only construction is taking time. Here A I am making as a blank. So but what you need to do, blank and blank, first you have to come to the left hand side. So blank comma, you will make this as a blank only, and you are moving which direction? Left hand side direction. This blank on blank, you are moving left hand side. While moving left hand side, what you encounter? You encounter as a. So you encounter A here. So that's why you need to again replace A with the blank. Here you blank on blank, you are moving left hand side. So while moving left hand side, immediately you encounter as a blank. Immediately you encounter as a as a blank. So what you need to do is here A as a blank from Q2, A you are making as a blank, and you are moving which direction? You are moving left hand side direction. While moving left hand side direction, so this A I have replaced blank, and last A I have replaced a blank. While moving left hand side also, any number of A's, any number of B's are encounter, right? So here in this, that's why you need to draw step by step. So in this transition, you may get any number of A's, any number of B's. What you need to do? You have to move the left hand side direction only. So what is left hand side direction? What you need to do? A comma. So while moving left hand side, you may encounter any number of A's, or you may encounter any number of B's also. But what you have to do? Any number of A's, you have to move left hand side. And for any number of B's, B comma B, you have to move the left hand side only until you encounter as a blank. So whenever a blank is encountered, you need to repeat this process. Whenever there is a blank is encountered, so after any number of years you move left hand side, here you encounter as a blank. So what you have to do? So in this you need to, so this is a, so what is the transition here? Blank on blank. Here what is the transition? Blank on blank. You are moving right hand side. So whenever you encounter this blank, you have to move the right hand side. Here we have a again, but sometimes you may encounter B also, right? So but you don't have a transition B here. So the same like you have to do the B also. Suppose we have here A only. So what is the thing you need to do? Same, A you need to make as a blank. So what you need to do? A you need to replace as a blank, and you need to move right hand side. Any number of years you need to move right hand side until you encounter as a blank. Whenever you blank is encountered, you go to the left hand side, and here you encounter again A. So A you are making as a blank. Again you move the left hand side until you encounter as a blank. Here there is a B is there. B is there at Q naught, but you don't have transition, right? So you need to define same like a as it is. As it is like you have defined A. Now what I need to do? B I should replace here. Same as it is. So what I need to do? So same transitions like here there is a, here one more state, and here also one more state, because for this B, because we have processed here A and you make this A as a blank. Similarly you have to come to the B. So what is the B here? See this B, so similarly we have a transitions like for this one and here, and you should repeat this process. So what is a Q4? It is like you give the name as a Q4 and Q5. So what are this the transition now? Here it is started with A, but here B. So if the B is processed, what is my logic? So B comma B I should make as a blank, and I should move the right hand side. And here also the transitions are. Here also what are the transitions? At the Q4. What the Q4? What are the transitions? Any number of A's, any number of B's, you have to go for the A comma A. A you can move the right hand side, and B comma B you move the right hand side. So like this, same again you encounter as a blank. Whenever blank is coming, you should make as a blank on blank, blank on blank. You come to the left hand side, blank on blank, you move the left hand side. So what we have touched here B, so it has to be B only. So we have seen the B, so and we are searching for B only. So here there is a B I am making as a blank, and we have moved the any number of years you move the left hand side until you encounter as a blank. Is the blank, you move the left hand side, what you will get here? Blank B. So what is the symbol next one? B. B you should make as a blank, and this B I am making as a blank, B I am making as a blank, and which direction I have to move? I need to move the left hand side direction. While moving left hand side direction, you may again any number of A's, any number of B's. Like this, you will get any number of A's as well as any number of B's. So like this, you are going to complete this string. See here. So what is the logic here? So all the A's and all the B's. For this A also, I have completed this A, and similarly for this B also. Listen carefully. Last B, and I have replaced this B. The last one is important. The last one I have replaced B. I have replaced with the B, and I have moved the left hand side, and whenever now at the finals you are at this place. So B you have replaced here, and blank on blank you are moving right hand side. Remember, after completion of all those things, B you have replaced with the blank, and you have moved the left hand side. So what is the symbol? There is a blank. So blank on blank, you should go to the right hand side. Again you encounter the blank only, because at Q0 you don't have a blank. So what you have to do? At Q0 you should give the transition as a blank. You should give the transition as blank comma blank. You move the right hand side direction, but and it is going to the final state. It is going to the final state. It is going to the final state. So it is going to the final state. So this is what the problem is. This is a simple problem. Now the thing is, this is a final state where I sent, and I should not give the self loop here, blank on blank. If blank on blank, if I give the self loop here in the final state, it will go to the infinite loop. It will go to the infinite loop. So remember, you cannot give always this thing. So